Yes. Yes or no? Say yes. Yes. Do you want to? Yes. What do you want? What happened? What do you want? What happened? When I was calling you, you didn't come. Now you came. What happened? He wants crisp. I know. Not good for you. You know that. It's not good for you. He never took it out by himself. Never. He didn't. He never took this out. I always give him. Yes. Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat crisp? Baby, do you wanna eat crisp? Yes. Yes. Yes or no? Say yes. Yes. Do you wanna eat crisp? Okay. I'll give you. It's not good for you, by the way, but give you this much. Okay? Say thank you. Baby, say thank you. Sunny, do you want some? Come here. Baby, what happened on you?
तो ये सब सोचा समझा क्या इसके
You
लिए
wanna share with some?
मैं भी एक मोहरा